Walmart Spark Driver Sign Up Tutorial. If you want to sign up on Walmart as a Spark driver, what we do is first of all download the Spark driver application to your mobile phone and then simply launch it. Once you open the app, this is typically the interface that you'll be able to see. Just wait until the app has loaded successfully. So it says sign up or log in to your account. So what we do is you can simply enter the email address you want to use for your Walmart Spark driver account. Then tap on continue. Of course, it will check whether there is an account on this email or not. If there is an account, you can enter your password to log in, but if not, it will ask you to create your Spark driver account. So now you can enter your first name over here, and you can go ahead and then enter your last name as well. Enter your phone number, choose a password, and tap on the continue button. After that, you can follow a couple of other instructions and you'll be able to complete your sign up on Walmart Spark driver. Remember that they might also ask for some of the documents, so be prepared with a photo or a copy of your documents. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.